a brand new trading system called the Magnificent 7, and we may just call it the Mag 7 or the M7 NQ trading system. And so what this does is it trades the Nasdaq futures, and it's based on Microsoft, Apple, Google, Class A and Class B shares, Amazon, NVDA, Meta, and Tesla. So there's 8 equity symbols, but it's 7 companies that we're looking at. And as you know, the Nasdaq 100 is 100 stocks, but 25% of that weighting comes from 25% plus of that weighting comes from these 7 stocks, 8 tickers, 7 companies. And so these 7 stocks can oftentimes just drive the market one way or the other on their own, because the momentum and the market cap weighting in those stocks, when they start to move, they make big moves. And so we're essentially creating our own index to trade this strategy, and it trades long trades, it takes short trades. What's interesting about this setup, using the same strategy, same signal for longs, and then the opposite for shorts, the short side does better. And it's, as you know, it's been a very tough market to short. We are short-term traders. We like to look for opportunities, take very short-term trade signals on the short and on the long side. And so let's look at the strategy performance report, hypothetically speaking. Brand new strategy. We haven't traded it yet. Going back to 2011, and prior to COVID, this strategy broke even. And so even including all these break-even trades, the average trade profit is 81.87. And since the pandemic, since the massive liquidity push by the Federal Reserve, this strategy has done really well. And you can take a look at recently, since just this year alone in 2023, you can see 21,905 on 54 trades, over $400 average trade profit. And what I love about this is that the short side has done better than the long side. So if you look at the long side, $33,060 average trade profit, and this is inclusive of $25 round turn slippage and commission. On the short side, $38,470, $118 average trade profit, 59.20 drawdown. And keep in mind, those numbers include all these trades from 2011 to 2020, which were break even, which brings down the average trade profit, and it also includes these numbers. Let's look at just since March 2020. So here it is since March of 2020, $166 average trade profit, $11,000 drawdown, 68% of the trades are profitable, $72,000 total net profit. Long trades, $33,000, about what it was before, because prior to 2020, around break even, $116 average trade profit, and on the short side, $264 average trade profit. Only a $5,000 drawdown taking short trades. Here is the equity curve. Again, we have not traded this strategy yet. This is completely hypothetical because it's recently been developed. It's a new pattern we spotted just by looking at a simple indicator and combining the indicator over these 8 tickers, which are 7 companies in the Nasdaq that represent a strong weighting of the Nasdaq 100. It can be used to trade the Nasdaq 100 futures contracts. And once again, this is the Magnificent 7, Mag 7 NQ trading system. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.